down, loser!
What's this? What the hell? This thing can change body?
You know, Coach keeps saying I should focus more on grades. Funny thing is,
Hi. Welcome to Portal 7.
You can generate AI videos like this, and like this. It can be done in one click. Not just that, you can change voice like me, or you can change background like this. You can also dub your voice in 6 different languages. It all can possible by just one AI tool.
Higgsfield Recast. Open your browser and search for Higgsfield Recast. Click on first link. You can also get link in this video's description. Higgsfield AI is one of the fastest growing GenAI video platforms, with tens of millions of monthly users, new features dropping almost daily, and creators consistently going viral with this. It's a big hub for graphical uses of AI tools. Here our focus is on its latest AI tool, Higgsfield Recast. Higgsfield Recast is a full-body character swap with SOTA physics that tracks posture, hands, and micro-gestures for shots that feel filmed, not faked. Click on Character tab. Now choose Recast Studio. Here you can see Recast window. Here you have to upload your video and one image, with that you want to swap your body. It also has preset character images to swap. You can also change your voice to other voices. You also have dubbing option, you can dub your original voice in other languages too. And not just that, you can even change video background. Here I will sign up with Gmail. Now click on your video to upload. Click on character image. Upload that too. Now click on generate video. It will take almost 5 minutes to make your video. And here is result.
You can change voice like me, or
Click on
you can
download.
change background like this. You can also dub your voice in 6 different languages. You can change voice like me, voice in 6 different languages. You can change voice like me, or you can
Now let's play result video and original video.
You can change voice like me, or you can change background like this. You can change voice like me.
As you can see, there is no difference to tell
You
which one
can
is
change
original and which one
voice
is AI
like me.
generated. It gives best natural output. Click on Video tab and go for Recast Studio. Now you have all studio options such as preset character, preset voices, dubbing languages, and backgrounds. Here I will change character, voice, and
In
background.
the theatre of life, kindness is the star performer.
The stillness of
Rivers stretch their arms.
In the theater of life,
And click on Generate. And you can see the result.
You can change voice like me, or you can change background like this. You can also dub your voice in 6 different languages.
Click on Download.
You can change voice like me, or you can change background like this. You can also
Let's play and check its quality.
You can change voice like me, or you can change background like this. You can also dub your voice in 6 different languages. You can change
Now let's try one more video. In this video we will change just the character. Within few minutes output is ready. Click on Download. And you can see the output. Click on Go to Library. Here you will find all your work. You can download your work anytime from here. Click on video's description link and explore Higgsfield AI tools to boost your creativity. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.